Where you come from?
My name is Riz Syed Ahmed Rizvi. I came from Pakistan about 21 years ago, and my role is a commissioner in Manchester Poverty Truth Commission to bring out the causes and reasons that are causing poverty for many in the country. I wanted to be heard and I wanted to be helped, I wanted others to be helped as well. So I became a part of this commission and I played my role. It was very nice to see that others people have stood up for their cause as well, and I was one of them. When I shared my story, before that I felt that I'm the alone who is suffering here. But it was a kind of big sport to feel and meet the people who are suffering in different ways. So I was not alone, but I was in a different way, maybe. But many others were suffering as well.
Commissioners.
The things that helped me to get connected with other commissioners and the leaders is that suffering and being unheard and the feeling of being abandoned, and other commissioners were up for the cause as well, and it was a nice feeling that I'm not alone who stood up. There are other fellows as well. The best moment when I was heard was at the start of the pandemic. Unfortunately, I again became homeless, and I'm grateful to Manchester City Council, who immediately helped me, put me in temporary accommodation, and now I have got a flat, which is nice, but still it is very hard to feel that many others still need a roof on their head and they need to come out of the fear of homelessness. The thing I learned from the other commissioners is not to lose heart, keep on struggling, keep on raising voice unless we are heard. And the thing that broke my heart is that in a country where we claim, and it's fact, that we have given awareness to the world about human rights, I found that people are compelled by the circumstances for prostitution, which is very shameful for me. And the government should think about it as well. We should not let people fall on that stage. Come what may, it is government's and society's duty to protect people and their self-respect. I enjoyed in this project that the authorities, the leaders, and the other commissioners, they are really sensitive and they are willing to understand and feel the problems and worries of others, and they have promised, and they are working in almost right direction now to help as much as they can. Nothing about us without us is really for us. We need to be involved, and a sufferer can help other sufferers better.